In this video, I am going to show you the power of automation. In this video, we will see how drawing automation can help you being correct in your drawings. Assume that you are working on a drawing where there are several drawing views which are placed across several drawing sheets, maybe 15, 20, 25, or even more than that. And as a practice, what we do while working with such number of drawing views in our drawing, we name them A, B, C, D, and so on. You can see there are few views on my screen. Uh, for example, this one view AA, then section DD, view HH, view BB. I have intentionally named all of the views with a label because I wanted to show you something, uh, some power of automation, what automation can do for you. So I have literally named every view in this drawing sheet, but I only have one sheet to show you. But there could be scenario that there are several sheets and several views are placed. Now, the challenge that this automation will save for you is that you can save the uh, you can save the alphabetical ordering. You can set the alphabetical ordering of your drawing views without missing any alphabet letter. I know that NX does not allow you to add duplicates. Okay, you cannot add duplicate label to your drawing views, but it is obviously possible that it's more possible that it's possible that you can get some letters missed out. Maybe, for example, let's see. I will do this. I will modify the label here. I will make it A, and let's say I will make it as C. I will make it as G, sorry, J, this one as K. So you can notice that I have used random numbers for my view labels, and I am intentionally missing few of them. Now let's see what this program can do for me. I am going to create the DLL out of this program, and then I am going to execute the DLL. But before that, let me do this, and we can run the DLL. Now you can notice what happens after this DLL is running. You can see now everything is alphabetically ordered. We have view A, then view B, then view C, then section DD, then detail E, section F, section G, view H. So everything is alphabetically ordered. If you have more than this many number of drawing views, then you will also notice that alphabets like I, alphabets like Q are skipped from this alphabetical ordering of the drawing views. So this is what can happen, and you can imagine if you have several sheets, several drawing views, and if you are missing on one of the label, one of the letter to be used on drawing the label, then your drawing will be missing some quality point of view, something quality point of view. So this uh, program, this journal can help you do this just with one click of button. So this is an power of automation that I would like to show you. If you got any queries, if any ideas that triggered into your mind, you can share those ideas into the comment section, and I will definitely answer your comments. Thank you for watching till the end. Good luck.